I'm going to fit the coax plug onto the coax cable, but this time I'm going to glue it so that you can't remove it afterwards. The advantage of that is that if somebody does pull just the cable, it's less likely to be detached from the plug itself. So as you can see, I'm preparing the cable. I'm cutting back the insulation to reveal the inner core. As soon as I've done that, I will trim up the cable itself and making sure that none of the wires touch the inner core. Now I'm putting the main body on and also the clamp to hold the plug in place. Now next I'm going to, using a heat gun, I'm going to squirt some of the glue inside. Now it needs to be done before it cools down, otherwise it won't be a very good fit. Now I'm putting the glue around the thread as well. It needs to be screwed on before it cools down and sets. So there we have it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this, please share, like and subscribe.